Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. In today's episode, I'll tell you how to grow petunias in pots. That's a perfect method of growing petunias. If you buy best quality of petunia plants from the nurseries, these plants I have brought from nurseries. These are grown in 5-inch pot, and these are in 3-inch pot. 3-inch pot, this charge around 15 rupees per pot, and is grown in 5-inch pot. They charge around 25 to 30 rupees each. And select best quality variety of these petunias. Petunias is grandiflora, and the pot size should be 10-inch wide and 6 inches height. That is a flat pot. And soil mix, I'll tell you which soil mix. And if you grow them, they'll be spread in the horizontal position and hundreds of branches, and you can get hundreds of flowers from here. And the soil mix, I'll tell you, take around 50% garden soil, dry garden soil, 40% compost, and you may add 10% coco peat in it, and little bit of neem cake. This is the best soil mix for petunias. I am taking 50% garden soil. Here I am adding 40% compost, because I am adding compost more because they need lots of food for their huge production of flowers. Every day you can get 30 to 40 flowers from each pot. So that is it, and how to grow it, how to care it. And now I am adding little bit of coco peat. This is the best soil conditioner. If you, this is optional. If you have coco peat, you may add it, or else you can take 50% garden soil and 50% compost. That will also do. But this is the best soil conditioner I'm adding. This will make the soil moist, and always moist, and they will provide nutrition to the plants also. So this is here. I am mixing it properly. Now I will add little bit of super phosphate. This is around 1 teaspoonful will be enough for one pot. And super phosphate, this brings around all the rooting. This helps in rooting. So if you have super phosphate, you may add it or you may skip it. And later on I am adding little bit of neem cake powder, around 1 to 2 teaspoonful of neem cake powder. This contains lots of micronutrients, and insects problem also. They control all the insects problem in your soil. So this is also a very good source of fertilizer as well as insecticide. Now I am taking out the plants. You can see, just take out the whole plant, including the full root ball. That I am what how I am taking out, and removing little bit of soil at the top position. Don't break the total root ball up. If you break the root ball, the plants may go to shock. And now place the plant at the center of the pot, and that should be little top position. There should be a mound type of soil mix that I am showing you how to put this plant. Just press it gently, and the plant should be at the mound area, that is in some pyramidal shape soils. And if you want, you can pinch it if the branches are not more. But these variety nowadays, the varieties that imported seeds we grow, they naturally they branch out numerously. So they will flower 30, 40 or 50 flowers every day, and they will branching, they will be profuse. And now I am placing the plant at the central position again, and now making a mound here around some pyramidal shape, so that the water should not retain at the center of the pot or in the roots of the pot plants. So now I am adding, if you want, you can add little bit of Epsom salt. They will help in evading your shock, plant shock. So they contains lots of magnesium. So they also add beautiful magnesium. Around 1 teaspoonful in 1 liter of water would be enough for. And sprinkle a little bit, shake it well, and sprinkle a little bit of magnesium sulfate if you have, or you can skip it. So this is the best way of practice of growing the petunias here. And water the plants every day, and keep it in semi-shade area for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, once the plants take roots properly, they keep it in full sunlight. They need the winter sunlight nicely. And fertilization, I'll tell you, if you want to fertilize the plants, apply mustard cake. This is a cake form. They come in two form, maybe in mustard cake in the cake form. I'll show you how the cake form look like. This is the cake form, and apply 50 gram in 1 liter of water. Soak it for 4 days, and after 4 days mix it with 10 liter of water and then apply on the plants. And now I am showing you another form is powder form, so you can apply powder form also. Same thing, you can use a cake form or powder form, anything, and you may add a little bit of DAP, 10 grams of DAP there in a 50 gram of mustard cake. You may add 10 gram of DAP, and then after soaking it for 4 days you can apply on these plants around 100 ml per in 15 or 10 days. And if the insect problem is there, you may apply Kaka or Theta or Benivia. These are organic insecticide, 1 ml per liter once in a week would be enough for all the insect control. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice.